Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the Osage Orange. As you can see behind me here, it's a medium-sized deciduous tree reaching about between 30 to 60 feet tall, and they're native to the southeastern United States. They prefer to grow in well-drained soils and kind of shady areas like this tree. This tree's never been a big producer of fruit. I think it might be a little too shaded. But they do prefer well-drained and shady areas to grow. The leaves, I got a twig here. The leaves are simple. You can see it's got a big oblong or oval leaf, and they're also alternate on the twig. It's kind of hard to tell with some of these leaves because of how they're sort of twisted around. But you can see they alternate on the twig. And then the branches, obviously they grow these pretty big thorns on them. When I was pulling this twig down, it actually stuck me pretty good. But those are the leaves, and then these are two different size fruits that the tree produced here. But you can see this is typically the size of the orange that the tree produces. Trees are also known as mock oranges, and these are also known as hedge apples. But the fruits are typically considered inedible to humans. They're apparently very bitter, but the seeds within the fruit are edible. I was reading where it's similar to a sunflower seed if you eat those, but the seeds can be eaten by deer and squirrels, but they're typically considered inedible to humans because of how bitter the fruit is. The bark of the tree, it's got these big irregular furrows in it, and it's almost like a sort of brownish grayish color. And as you can see, this tree's got a lot of dead limbs on it. This tree's been here for a long time, and it always produces a few fruits, never big large crops or anything, but it is a big tree, and it's always a sign of fall when the mock oranges or the Osage oranges start dropping. You know, it's always a sign that better weather is coming. That's all I got. Thanks, guys.